Hello friends, welcome to my first lesson. Today we are going to learn about the use of passive and active voice. So let's get started. First, we are going to define the voices active and passive. They refer to whether the subject or the object in a sentence performs the action or the verb. What is active voice? In the active voice, the subject performs the action of the verb. Let's see an example. The student presented the talk. The first thing you have to have in mind is to find out in what kind of tense the sentence is written. In that case, this sentence is written in the simple past. The student presented the talk. If you ask question by yourself, you say, what did the student present? The student presented the talk. So it means that the talk is the object. And then, what is the student? The student is the subject. What about the presented? Presented is the action or the verb. Here we can see different forms of tenses that we can use in the passive voice. Simple present, present progressive, present perfect, simple past, past progressive, past perfect, simple future, be going to, and future perfect. Those are the examples that you can use to change the sentence into passive or into active voice. Here we have the passive voice. Let's see an example. The student presented the talk. This sentence is written in active voice. Remember, in the passive, the object of an active verb becomes the subject of the passive verb. Here we have the sentence in the passive voice. That talk was presented by the student. What is presented? The action of the verb. And what is the student? The object. Let's change passive to active voice. Example, depression has been researched by scientists for decades. And now we have the active voice. Scientists have researched depression for decades. Example number 2. Surveys were handed out to participants by research as handed surveys out to the participants. Now we are going to change the active to passive voice. Example number 1. Shakespeare wrote that play. And then we have the sentence in passive voice. That play was written by Shakespeare. Example number 2. Miriam has designed several public buildings. Then we have passive voice. Several public buildings have been designed by Miriam. And now it's your turn to practice. If you have any doubt, please write your comments below. Then see you in the next videos. Thank you for your attention, my friends.